Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku Baslam November 28, 2022. 2-star Sudoku. 9th row, 10th row, we have 1. Column J also we have 1. 7 can't come. These cells. The one is confirmed here. 7th row, 6th row, we have 1. Column B also we have 1. 7 can't come. These cells. The one is confirmed here. Column D, column B, we have 1. 7 can't come. These cells. The one is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 1. Second row also we have 1. 7 can't come. These cells. Then only confirm here. Second row, third row, we have 1. Column H, column J, we have 1. 7 can't come. These cells. The one is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come. These cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come. These cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, second row, we have pair numbers 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. The 5 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4. Fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, only one number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row, 4th row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then it is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 8. 5th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, 2 will come here, one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column F, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 6th grade, column E, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column E, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 10th row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 8. Column J, we have 5 and 8, so 5 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4 and 6, so 4 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Third grade, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Third grade, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 6th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 6th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. Column G, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.